Guys, we have a problem. We can't find the litmus paper. What should we do?
How can we replace litmus paper as a pH indicator on our experiment?
What do you think, guys? How about green plant? Be specific!
Kamote crops.
Crops?
Tops.
Why?
Because, as I observe boiling kamote tops, it changes its color.
Nice idea. Come on, let's try. Hello everyone! Here we are promoting the Kamote Tops Extra as the replacement of litmus paper. You can do it at home in an easy way and in a lower price.
First, we should gather all the materials that we need for our experiment. Grind ampalaya, 1 tablespoon of pure calamansi, 1/4 cup of baking soda with 1/4 cup of water, kamote tops, 1/4 cup of soft drinks, 1/4 cup of vinegar, 1/4 cup of water, and a medicine dropper. Second, we need to boil kamote tops in a 1/2 cup of water. After 3 minutes, here's the boiled kamote tops. Third, use a medicine dropper, then drop 2 ml of kamote tops extract on each of the following: water, vinegar, soft drinks, baking soda with water, and calamansi. And see how they react with kamote tops extract.